Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm showing you the account of one of my students that got my video course and my software, and I'll be using it in his affiliate marketing business. Yes, as you can see on the screen, as he earned 600 and something, 500, 400, and these are excellent results. So one of the things my package will also give you is that you will know the kind of goods to market, the kind of goods to market with particular traffic. Do you understand? So when you get my video course, you get the full details, you get the software and more information on how to be a successful affiliate marketer online. And so, and remember, if you want to get my video course, I want to get my software, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com and contact me through my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. The number my Telegram contact is in the description of this video. Likewise, my Gmail, you can text me on Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com. You can contact me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.